Hey, good morning, everybody. David Keyte here with Relo with your market update for the month of May 2023. We got an exciting spring market coming to life here. Interest rate volatility continues to be a factor. However, it's not the only factor. We're seeing obviously more demand when rates are lower, under 6.5. When they're above 6.5, we're seeing less demand but better negotiating opportunities. The real exciting information is what's happening on the MLS as the market evolves into spring here. So we're seeing finally some more inventory for our buyers. There's 244 listings in Bend this month. That's up from 200 last month. So people who have been waiting for stuff to come on are finally getting a little bit more options. The listings with changed price is 87. So this is about a third of the total listings have made a price adjustment, a lot less than we had been seeing. And the average price change that people are making is now 4%. This number had been as high as 8 to 9%. So what that tells me is that people are getting the prices right on the sell side. People aren't overpricing as often in the current market. We still do see it from time to time, but the averages are showing that we're getting closer to accurate pricing. And then on top of that, 22 days for active listings is the median days on market. This is down from 80 days that we had seen in November, December, which tells us that the market's starting to move again. Here's the Beacon report numbers. This is for closed homes in the month of April. We're going to be digging into the charts here. We have 1.4 months of inventory, which is up from 1 month that we'd had for quite some time there. All right, median price of the homes is down from between March and April, which is very interesting because the median price per square foot during that time is up. So why the difference? Well, one of the reasons is that there are less homes that are transacting in the higher price points that skews the median sale price. The higher end of the market is not moving as quickly. But on the flip side, the lower end of the market is moving much faster. So we've seen price per square foot go up about 10% in the last 2 months. This is a huge number. That would be a number that you'd expect over the course of a year or two of appreciation. And this just speaks to the buyers coming back to the marketplace and bidding up those properties on the lower price points. Days on market for the sold properties went down to 10 days. What we're seeing is most of the time, if something is an attractive listing, it's going the first weekend. There are multiple offers. Then the ones that aren't going the first weekend, it's oftentimes after 2 or 3 weekends. If that hasn't sold, then we're seeing a price adjustment, and then properties are getting sold week 4 or so. Okay, so the bottom line this month, every month we look at these numbers, interest rates and financial data, but really what we're noticing is people that have a strong why. So I've asked the question to you, what's your why? Why become a homeowner instead of a renter? Why sell your house to make a change? Is it family? Do you have a new kid? Is it divorce? A lot of times these are what we're seeing be the driving factors, not whether rates are 6.25 or 6 3/4. In this market, there's less FOMO buying happening and selling, and so what that does is allows people to think about the real reasons for buying and selling instead of, I don't want to miss out, so I need to do something now. And what I appreciate about that is it's allowing buyers a little bit more time to consider their options. So one of the things that we've noticed and talked about with a lot of our clients lately is that there's never a perfect time to buy or sell. If you're waiting for rates to get to the perfect number, you're waiting for that market to crash, you could be waiting a long time. And so the real question is if you can afford the payment, what's the reason to do it? Focusing on your reason, your why, your quality of life versus the financial numbers, this and that, ups and downs. Market's going to go up and down. But one of the old adages in real estate is the best time to buy real estate is now and 10 years ago. So those are some of the things we're thinking about and talking about with our clients right now. And it's just a really exciting market to see the sun coming out. We've got 80-degree weather in Bend, and people are out for spring. So if you have any situations you want to talk with, feel free to reach out to any Bend Relo agent.